Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and how's this? This is Palos Verdes for a beautiful ocean blue mountains in the distance. You got the fishing boat out there, and I'm going to show you this house. We're at 1348 Palos Verdes Drive West. Great spot, and this over there, that's a preserve. No one's going to build on that, so you have a straight shot view out to the ocean that should stay protected. You probably can go two-story here. This lot's big, so direct access to the garage. It's got this ranch style overhang here as we come in. Nice floors. You can refinish this and it'll all match. That'll be beautiful. Here's our wonderful listing agent, Mike. Hey, Mike.
How you doing, Jason?
Great. So dining room side. Wow, look at all the windows facing the view. The house fairly original, so you could do some work here. This is nice. Here's our kitchen area. Definitely more. Just trying to open this up probably. Ooh, the breeze is nice. On the back side of this kitchen area, they have what could have been laundry, but I don't see hookups. So it's just linoleum floor. This is what I want to see. Okay, half bath here. And then some open room. You got this room here. So, and then this faces the fireplace. So opening the kitchen this way isn't going to get you a whole lot. Interesting. Garage. There's the laundry hookups. You can see the yard, you know, you got a gentle slope up towards the back. There's a hiking trail that goes out this way up in there. It's beautiful. So French drain here, it's nice. I mean, a lot of these homes on these lots here are massive. You really do have a lot of opportunity to go up and to build.
My grandmother something.
Pretty neat. So you can get around the other way. Nice fireplace here in the middle. Services that. And then we go towards our bedrooms. Nice room up front here. Good view. Nice big bath. Tile floor, and then the back bedroom. So, pretty cool spot. I like it. Definitely room for other needs back here, pool, whatever. Pool house, guest house, ADU. A lot of room, a lot of opportunity, and a great spot. I love this location. So, if you got questions, give me a call. I'm happy to help. Other than that, make it a great day.